Good evening, and welcome to a very special Christmas episode of Denny's What Is. I'm your host, the Jamaican Actor Boy. As this is a Christmas special, you'll get to see all the features of our show that you've come to know and love, such as crappy camera work, ludicrous lighting, and extremely bad editing. To kickstart this evening's showcase, we'll feature a presentation brought to you by today's very special guest. It's a bit of work from Shakespeare's catalog. Do enjoy.
Oh, wherefore nature, didst thou lion's friend, since lion hast here deflowered, my dear, which is, which was the fairest dame that lived, that loved, that liked, that looked with chair. Come, tears, confound, out sword, and wounds the pap of Pyramus. I that left pap, where hearts doth pop. Thus die I. Thus. Now am I dead. Now am I fled. My soul is in the sky. Tongue, loose thy light. Moon, take flight. Now die. Die! Die! Die!
Stay tuned. Denny's What Is returns after a message from our sponsors.
Roses are red. These plants are green. Like, share, comment, and subscribe so this video can be seen. Should you join this cause? Yes is really the only answer. Get this channel 1,000 more subscribers. In no time I'll have a sponsor.
Welcome back to Denny's What Is, a Jamaican variety show. Of course, this is our very special Christmas episode. This is a Christmas episode because I'm in it and because at the very end I'll say a few sentences about Christmas to string things together. But before we do all that, let's get into our next piece. Enjoy. You almost ruined me. You and your town. You were my friends. You smiled with me and reassured me. But day by day, I saw you change. Your shoes, your ties, your suits, your hearts. If you had been honest with me then, perhaps I might feel differently towards you now. I might even use that gun you brought for the sake of my friends. But now you will have to judge me, and I will accept your judgment. For me, this will be justice. How it will be for you, I don't know. You may kill me if you like. I won't complain. I won't protest. I won't defend myself. But I won't do your job for you either.
Coming up, a sit down with our very special guest. Don't go nowhere, we'll be right back.
Welcome back. Our very special guest this evening is an emerging actor who has decided to do the unthinkable by creating his very own YouTube channel, and he's here to talk to us a little bit about that. Take a look. Hi everyone, I'm Desmond Dennis. I'm an actor, writer, director, and producer, and it is such an honor being on this show to talk to you about my YouTube channel. I'm so nervous. My new YouTube channel. Yes, guys, I started a YouTube channel to help me with my depression. I know that's a very touchy issue for most people, but I've found recently that I'm not able to create, and I need to be doing some form of acting or performance. So you can just log into the Jamaican Actor Boy. You'll see a lot of performances, you'll see reviews, reactions, Q&As, story times, all of that good stuff. I'm looking forward to the journey with you all. Have a Merry Christmas. Thank you so much again for having me. Welcome back to the show. In this segment, we will mention Christmas a few times because that is all we need to do to successfully produce a Christmas special. Christmas, 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 Christmas. No, that is not the link you're looking for, but what I'm about to say next is. You see, Christmas is a time of the year when friends, family, and loved ones meet and greet and eat. Yazid. It is also a time when... Oh, it appears we're getting the wrap-up signal from our producers. So to conclude, a very special thanks to every single cast and crew member who made today's production a success. Very special thanks too to all those vehicles that drove through our studio as we tried to do the recording. And finally, a special thanks to you, our 1,001,000+ viewers who make each week a loving and enchanting experience. We do this just for you. As always, I'm your host, the Jamaican Actor Boy. Do stay tuned to this channel for more poorly produced content sugar-coated with effort. On behalf of the entire production team, do enjoy the rest of the Christmas holidays and have a prosperous new year when it comes. Blessings, and see you next time. Yeah, me not understand what I'm going with the bird then. First I can't know a bird, me not understand. Me can't just record? Me can't just record in peace? Jeez.